Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to your 6th C++ tutorial. In this tutorial, the next video, and the video after that will all be conditional statements. So let's get right into it. Let's start with an analogy. Uh, let's say you're doing your homework, and you tell yourself, I got this homework done before 11 o'clock. You can play video games all you want. If you got if you're done after 11, then you have to go to sleep because next day is going to be school and you don't want to miss the bus. So, what does that have to do with programming? So, there's aspects of that analogy that deals with programming. If if you're done for 11, you can play video games. So that's a conditional statement. You're telling yourself you can play video games if you're done before 11. If you're done after 11, you can't play video games. We have something like that in programming, and it's called the if-else statement. If a number is 5, you print out the number is 5. So let me show you how to do it. So let's just declare a variable. Let's declare an int x, and let's just set it to 8. And the way you would do an if statement, you put if, and then you put parentheses, then you put whatever conditions want to put. And if you want to, and you between these curly braces, the consequence of this condition. So, do something. Alright, so let's just take this comment out. So there are ways to compare a variable to a number or to another variables. And I'm going to show you different comparisons. So if x, if you wanted to, sorry about that, if you wanted to say if x were to equal to 8, you put these two equal signs and you put 8. If you want to say if x is greater than 8, you just put this little right caret sign. That right caret sign is next to the forward slash sign. It's on the left of that. If you want to say less than, then you put in the left caret, which is on the left of the right caret. And if you want to put greater than or equal to this, and if you want to say less than or equal to, just take out the caret right there, then you put the left caret. So that's the comparisons you would always use in an if statement. Well, probably 99% of the time. I don't remember anything else other than booleans, which we will get into in the future videos. So let's just say if x were to equal 8. Let's print out Alright, so what it's going to do here is we've cleared a variable and made it equal to 8. If the variable is equal to 8, we print out this. So let's run that. It should get us this text since x is actually equal to 8. So let's run this program. And it prints as we expected because the variable actually equals 8. So what if we actually made it 9? What if the variable doesn't equal 8? Well, let's see. It prints nothing. That's because the program reads from top to bottom and it actually looks at is x equal 8, and if it's not, it just skips right over it. But what if we want what if x isn't equal 8? So that's where we use else statement. So we put else. We don't put any parentheses, and then we put these curly braces, and then we put C out, and you're just gonna put in whatever text you want to put. I'm gonna end that line here, and then when we run it, it should print out this text because the variable doesn't equal 8. The variable equals 9. And this is really useful only if all else fails. If it checks this and it's not true, it prints it, then it skips right over it. And it goes to if all else fails, if and it's not in any of these if statements, then you print out this. All right, let's run this, and it should get us what we expected, and it did. In the next tutorial, I'll show you the else if statements and what you can do with else if. And the tutorial after, I'm going to show you the switch case. These are all conditional statements, but they work similarly, but the syntax is a bit different. Hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.